Let's make a beautiful and easy wall decor item step by step with easy explanation.
Take 20 ice cream sticks. Make a square box using 4 ice cream sticks.
We need 8 square boxes. Now arrange them in flower-like arrangement. Now stick all the boxes together. Boxes are sticked. Draw a circle on cardboard. Now cut a circle from cardboard. Place the cardboard circle at the center and stick 8 more ice cream sticks on the circle as shown in the video. Stick them together by using glue gun. Now turn it. Paint it with black color. Now cut a golden circle from glitter sheet. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more.